Hey guys, well, here is today's midweek video. I have this old chainsaw that's been laying around for I don't know how long. I'm gonna try and get it sorted and get it started in the weeks and months to come, depending on how well it goes. I'm just giving you a little walk around now. And this is a, I don't know the model exactly. If you look right there, if we can zoom in or if we can focus, it's a JOBU made in Norway, and it's actually quite a powerful little saw. I don't know the horsepower or cc's of it, but if you, I'm gonna try and zoom into the LP4 1952. It's missing the top cover, and it does have some compression. Nice springy recoil. I like that. So yeah, if you want to see this thing running, subscribe to my videos or to my channel. Watch my videos, and I will try to make a series out of this one. I hope I can find the top cover, or else I'm gonna have to try and make something. Thank you for tuning in, guys. As always, I really appreciate you watching my videos, and if you'd like, please subscribe to my channel, follow me on social media. The links are down in the video description, and if I find any information on this saw whatsoever, I will update the video description when I find it, and I will post it below in the video. Stay safe, guys.